Good morning, students. Now here we will start from today question number 21. 17 8 17 if b square, then find b. Now remember, this is an important one. Okay, so let b is equal to a b c d. Okay, so b square is equal to b into b, a b c d into a b c d. Okay, now according to question, this is equal to, right? Now multiply as the condition. You can multiply it a into a square, then bc ca, then cd. Similarly, a into b ab plus bd, then bc plus d square, which is equal to 17 8 8 70. Okay, now since this one is equal to a square plus bc is equal to 17 and this one is also 17, bc plus d square, cancel bc bc, therefore a square is equal to d square, a is equal to d. Okay, now the second one, we will take these two. CA plus CD is equal to 8 is equal to AB plus BD. Okay, now take common here from C, A plus C, here take common B, A plus B, cancel these two, C is equal to B. Now we get two relations, one A is equal to D and two C is equal to B. Now by using these two relations we will continue. Write down this one. Okay. Okay. Now again take a square plus bc, ab plus bd, ca plus cd, bc plus d square is equal to 17 8 8 17. From here what you will get? Now look at here, a square plus bc is equal to 17. Now instead of b, c, you can put b, so it will be a square plus b square is equal to 17. Equation 3, here by using equation 2. Similarly, this one, ab plus bd is equal to 8, right? Now instead of d, here you can put a, so ab is equal to 8. Now 2ab is equal to 8. Equation 4. It is by using 1. Okay. Now what we are getting? A square plus b square is equal to 17. 2ab is equal to 8. Now using these two, will have a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a square plus b square 17 plus 8, a plus b whole square is equal to 25. A plus b is equal to 5. Equation is done. And then 5 now. Similarly, we have a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So here 17 minus 8, which is equal to 9. A minus b is equal to 3. Equation 6. Now put this equation 5 here. A plus b is equal to 5. Add these two. B cancel. 2a is equal to 8. Implies a is equal to 4. Now put the value of a here. 4 plus b is equal to 5. Implies b is equal to 1. Therefore, the matrix B is equal to 17, 8, 8, 7. Matrix B is equal to 4, 1, 1, 4, which is a equal to matrix. Okay, write down. Next, we'll do 22. Okay. Now remember one thing. In your second year exam, you will have 3 type of questions. एक मार्क रो, 2 4 marks रो, and another one जो 6 mark. Okay, it may be a question 21 number da 6 number as करे, maybe in 4 marks करे. 22. Find xy 132 minus 1 into xy is equal to 4, 1. Okay. Now, look at here. It is a second order 2 by 1, 2 by 1. Okay. Now equal multiply with this one. 1 into x plus 3y, 2 into x, 2x minus y is equal to 4, 1. Now, by using equality, what you will get? X plus 3y is equal to 4. 2x minus y is equal to 1. Equation 1, equation 2. Now we solve these two. Equation 1 to multiply with 2. So it will be 2x plus 6y plus 8. Now subtract it. 2x cancel. Minus y minus 6 minus 7y, which is equal to minus 7. Y is equal to 1. Put the value of y here or here. You will get the value of x. X plus 3 into y is equal to 4 implies x is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, both x and y we are getting 1, 1. Okay. Write down. This is your 22. now 23 आमे करवानी इजी अछि you can do yourself okay a दे देछि b दे देछि a b बाहर करिया पे कहि तो you can do yourself 22 okay 23 sorry we go for 24 रे भी हमरो बीटा अछि there are two bits okay now we do मु फर्स्ट वन टा कर दोछि लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग लागुछि ओके 24 रो फर्स्ट वन ओके 24 2 1 plus 2 into 0 minus 2 then which will be multiplied by 2 1 3 1 minus 2 0 2 1 3 1 minus 2 0 okay so this is the question first of all हमें a part का solve कर दो यार okay 2 1 2 into 0 0 minus 4 into 2 1 3 1 minus 2 0 right now add this what you will get 2 plus 0 2 1 minus 4 that is minus 3 into 2 1 3 1 minus 2 0 can we multiply this देखो एटा 1 by 2 अछि एटा 2 by 3 अछि remember whenever you may have some confusion then एटी फाइनल आंसर टा केते हो 1 by 3 आरो कॉलम दीटा अछि आरो रो दीटा अछि दीटा डिलीट हे जिवो जो नुवा आंसर टा आसीबो that will be 1 by 3 गोटे रो मैट्रिक्स आसीबो okay now we will multiply this one with this one 2 2 ja 4 minus 3 then this one 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 minus 3 that is plus 6 then this one 2 3 ja 6 minus 3 into 0 0 so this is your 1 by 3 matrix 4 minus 3 1 2 plus 6 8 6 plus 0 6 okay this is your question number 24 रो first bit टा second bit टा भी आ गया सहज अछि you can do yourself okay write down okay now 25 you can do yourself 25 टा सहज अछि a दे देछि थर्ड ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स b दे देछि थर्ड ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स c भी देछि गोटे थर्ड ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स then by using the multiplication you can find ab ac then a plus b plus c b plus a plus c whatever it may be सहज अछि you can do yourself so we go for 26 which is another important problem okay 26 टा हमरो इंपोर्टेंट अछि तो we do 26 question number 26 right this one 2a plus b is given 225543 then 114 A minus 2B also given 165 52 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. Okay, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. It is also a 3 by 3. Find AB. Okay, so here just like your equation जेमती आमे सॉल्व करूले से भले आमे आको सॉल्व करे राइट. सो इटे 2a plus b अछि, इटे a minus 2b अछि. so by multiplying 2 it will be 4a plus 2b. तापर ऐड कर देले minus 2b plus 2b कैंसिल हो जिवो से रकम हम करबे. given that 2a plus b is equal to 225 543 114. Now multiply 2. So 2 into 2a plus b. Therefore we multiply both the matrix 225 543 114 with 2. So it becomes 4a plus 2b. एक पूरा टाको 2 मल्टीप्लाई हबो दैट इज 4 4 10 10 8 6 2 2 8. okay, now let it be equation 1. put this one here. a minus 2b is equal to 1 6 5 5 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2. Let it be equation 2. Now we add these two. Normal add 2b 2b cancel 4a plus 5. It will be 5a. Now here you have to add these two. According to the condition of addition, you will have this one. So 4 plus 1 5 4 plus 6 10 10 plus 5 15. okay, 10 plus 5 15 2 plus minus 2 0 8 plus 2 10 2 plus minus 2 0 then 6 minus 1 5 then 8 plus 2 10. So this is 5a. So obviously a is equal to what do you get 1 by 5 with 5 10 15 15 and 5 0 0 10. Therefore a is equal to, now divide by 5. Every element of this matrix will be divided by 5. 1 2 3 3 2 1 0 0 2. This is your a. okay, so now by putting the value of a in either of these two equations you will get the value of b. Let we put in this equation. Now we know that 2a plus b is equal to this one 2 2 5 5 4 3 1 1 4. okay, now 2 into a this one 1 2 3 3 2 1 0 0 2 plus b is equal to this matrix 2 2 5 5 4 3 1 1 4. Now multiply 2 4 6 6 4 2 0 0 4 plus b is equal to this one 2 2 5 5 4 3 1 1 4. Therefore B is equal to this one minus this one. 2 2 5 5 4 3 1 1 4 minus 2 4 6 6 4 2 0 0 4, which will be equal to 2 ରୁ 2 ଗଲେ 0, 2 ରୁ 4 ଗଲେ -2, 5 ରୁ 6 ଗଲେ -1, 5 ରୁ 6 ଗଲେ -1, 4 ରୁ 4 ଗଲେ 0, 3 ରୁ 2 ଗଲେ 1, 1 ରୁ 0 ଗଲେ 1, 1 ରୁ 0 ଗଲେ 1, 4 ରୁ 4 गले 0. Okay, this is your B and this is your A. Okay, so here you have A and B. Write down this one. Okay, write down. This is your 26, which is an important problem. Okay, now we'll go for 27. The 27 question, A is equal to 4 2 minus 1 1. And I is the unit matrix of second order. Now what it says, find A minus 2i into A minus 3i. Okay, now look at here. First of all, A minus 2i. A equal to 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 into I कर दे 1 0 0 1. 4 2 minus 1 1, then it will be 2 0 0 2, which is equal to 4 minus 2 2 2 minus 0 2 minus 1 1 minus of minus 2. This is your A minus 2i. Similarly, A minus 3i is equal to A is equal to your 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 into I. I am multiplying here 3 0 0 3. Now what I will get? 4 minus 3 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, these two, A minus 3i is equal to second order, then A minus 3i also a second order matrix. Now we multiply these two. Okay, now we multiply A minus 2i into A minus 3i, which is equal to 2 minus 1 into 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, what do you get? 2 1 2 minus 2, right? Minus 1 minus plus 1, then 2 2 is 4, minus 4, minus 2 minus plus 2, 0 0 0 0, which is a null matrix of order 2. Okay, this is your 27. Okay, write down. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 हमें फर्स्ट जेतेबेले प्रॉपर्टी देखथिले ए बी ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू बी ट्रांसपोज ए ट्रांसपोज रे हमें वेरीफाई करथिले तो सेति पई 28 रे हमें आउ करियो ओके सो we go for 29. The question 29, verify a is equal to abcd satisfying x square a plus dx ab minus bc I is equal to 0. So we will do little bit correction to it. Instead of a we will take x is equal to ab cd and I is equal to your unit matrix of order 2. Then what it want to prove? It is given that x square, to prove x square minus a plus dx plus ad minus bc I is equal to 0. Remember, 80 question de a is instead of a we will take as x. Okay. Now, हमें first a टर्म का कट करा, then इधर को बाहर करके 8 कर लो, तीन टेस्ट के first x square, x into that is a b c d into a b c d. Now multiply a into a square b c c a c into a plus c d a b plus b d then b c plus d square. Okay, this is a second order matrix. Then let it be 1. Then a plus d into x, a plus d into a b c d. What do you get? A into a square plus ad ca plus cd ab plus bd then a plus ad plus d square. This is your 2. Then ad minus bc into I, that is ad minus bc. I means your unit matrix 1 0 0 1, which will be ad minus bc 0 0 ad minus bc. This is your third equation. Okay, now 1 LHS x square minus a plus dx plus AD minus BC into y. So ଆମର ଏଠି equation 1 ଟା ପକେଇଥିବା a square plus BC AB plus BD CA plus CD BC plus D square. Okay, minus this one a square plus AD CA plus CD AB plus BD AD plus D square plus third one AD minus BC 0 0 AD minus BC. Finally, look at here. A square plus BC minus A square plus BC. Okay. So what do we get here? A square cancel easy. I am writing A square plus BC minus A square minus AD plus AD. Okay, now write down this one. We write here. Okay. We write here A square plus BC and this one will be minus A square minus AD. This will be plus AD minus BC. The second one AB plus BD minus AB minus BD plus 0. Okay. Now second one CA plus CD minus CA plus CD, that will be minus CA CD, then eta BC plus D square minus AD minus D square minus AD minus BC. Now look at here. A square, BC, AD, CA, CD, that's 0. D square, AD, BC, AB, BD. Okay, what we are getting? 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay, right? Now we'll continue next class रे बाकी गोल काम में करियो next class रे सरे दो exercise. Okay, keep here. Thank you and a good day.